Hello everyone. The music. Like this, I guess. Right. Oh. Let's begin with the refactoring. We have this function which is called differently in overworld controller. Pickup key. This one we want to transfer to the storage controller. This guy. Like this. Maybe key pick up. And then maybe we can just copy paste these. Add key to items. And what does this do? Storage. We are in storage already. I can go ahead and do this. E. I do go here. And this and this. Clean up. Update exit state. Be fine. Alright. Problem here though. From. Okay. Oh, my eye is burning. My allergies are starting. Rather annoying. And sneezing all around. Oh well. I will survive. I think. Hopefully. Anyway. And now instead of doing this, go ahead and take this instead. Pick up key. Now it should work again. Let's test. And if it works, we delete the function. Other controller. What was the hotkey? Get energy. Was it L? Was it K? Adding energy. Perfect. Well, we can enter it. Seems to work. Let's go back. Turn. If I do it again, I have enough energy to put in, but we should have the key though. We should be able to interact with it. Okay, I don't have enough energy. I lost them all. But I can add. Boom. And enter. Okay. Works. So let's delete. This thing. I believe it's not used anywhere. Or maybe it is. Let me check the input router. Rest or worlds. L is not being used anymore. How do I get these play interaction with J maybe? That's J. This guy cheat adding the first, yes. Add key to items. I see. We want to delete this function too. Hey, Jammy. How are you doing, man? How are your hands? And since when are you here? I didn't pay attention to this chat. I'm sorry. Yeah, we want to get rid of this. Instead, storage. One and then, what was it? Add unique. Yeah, add unique. This thing. And here. And we can get rid of this. Which means we can get rid of this, right? Ah, I see. Sauna. Oh man. Finish things. I'm dying, man. Allergies are killing me. Okay, so first task was rather quick. Now, item limit. I was thinking today about this item limit thing. Now I have a, how to call it, a design problem here. If I have an item limit That helps with, like, firstly, I can make it so that if you die, you lose all your items. It wouldn't affect you as much if you lost a part of it instead of your whole inventory, which is in the storage. It makes it so you don't have infinite jokers in your hand. It makes it so that you want to sometimes return to your base, make some islands more known to you by upgrading the gates. But it has one flaw, which is if I battle, I will get rewards, and you are supposed to battle a lot. That would mean you will clutter your inventory at some point. So either I remove battle rewards for items, or I need to add something to the islands so you can stash your items away, teleporting them back to your base. You cannot retrieve them, of course, but I think we should do something like that. Hey baby, welcome. Going to sneeze or not, I'm not sure. I'm dying. Yes, it also sounds good to me, but how would I stash it? Is it just a menu you open and then you can stash them away? It's just too easy, I think. The map would need some part where you can teleport them back. It would be funny if you can just go to the edge of the island and just throw them down and then they just land on the temple. Maybe. But if I have like a chest, I still have to always return to that chest. I will fight a lot. I need to make this somehow, how to say, fluid, you know? Maybe I should just make it the easy way where you have a menu to teleport back your items, and if your inventory is full, then you can choose either to switch them up if you get a new item, or automatically teleport new items back to your base. How would I explain this? Do I explain it? I mean, I wouldn't need to explain it, but it would be nice to explain it in lore-wise. Maybe even deeper than I thought. Maybe I can use this. Maybe it is our mission to go up and retrieve something or like, and you have a device to send things back. Like, I don't know, a Returner 3000. It made the life of the adventurers easier because back in my day you would go up and get everything and then jump down and then go up again, blah blah blah. Something like that. I think I will add a NPC who will always say, back in my day, no, 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 no. That would be nice. Yeah, that's a... You mean stacking? Or what do you mean? Because if you mean stacking, that is sadly not the solution. Thing you collect that can hold X amount and can be attached to a selected inventory system. I don't know what a piggyback is. Maybe a Minecraft bundle which never got implemented. The problem here is not my stack size. The stack size must be small. This is a design choice I make. It needs to be small so we cannot abuse items. I want to have an inventory that is limited, so you have like a limited amount of items you can use or collect. Not sure about the collect part, of course, if I build a teleporter. But I don't want to make the player who has so much money just spam items on the enemy. If you can follow. I also don't want the player to have infinite of heal items and every match you just heal yourself up. My goal would be to have a good formation instead of cheesing with items. I guess I will do the teleport thing. If your inventory gets full, you just teleport things back to your base. We have a storage already. Yes, exactly. So like an ender chest, but only one way. It would be funny if the player even can use it to go back. What happens to the teleporter then? What if I can use the teleporter to go back home very fast? Even if you lose the game, it teleports you back with a emergency switch or something. But how does the teleporter itself teleport? Does it just teleport? I guess it just teleports. Would help me with a lot of things. I think we just have some kind of device that teleports things back, and even you. The game I'm referencing never had battle rewards. I guess that's why, because you have a limited amount of inventory space. Maybe that's why you cannot get item rewards. You were very rarely getting item rewards. They would just drop on the floor. Out of 100 enemies, there would be just one. I guess that's why. You would mainly go from one cave to the other and always collect the items inside the caves, which is always one per cave. Okay, I guess we don't have a problem then with the item limit, right? I can go ahead and have an item limit. But how would I implement this item limit? Do I make it upgradable? Where's my game controller? We have some variables there. Merge ready level, max level, that percentage transfer after merging, and I guess we could add item limit, and then depending on what kind of upgrade you buy, you can set this item limit up. Like, I don't know, upgrade your backpack. Something like that. Now, how would I make this so you cannot break it? I could make an item you can buy on the item shop, which always gives you +5 on the limit instead of setting a value, I guess. Yeah, like always +5, and you can buy it, I don't know, 4 times or something. I know, I know, Yummy, but I would like the player to really try to break the game instead of the game being broken at start, you know? If the player wants to break it, fine, break it, but I don't want it to be broken already when they start the game. Backpack item limits. How about that? But this is a global. How about backpack item limit base, and I never touch this because these are globals. I don't want to play with them around. Let's say we have initially maybe 10 or 20 items we can carry. Neko, that didn't even rhyme. You have to rhyme that. Anyway, hello. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? What do you mean I'm a... No, stay here. And not just go. Hello. I am Monkey. We are talking about some game design ideas right now. Since I have to add an item limit and we will have battle rewards, that means every time you battle you will probably get an item. That means your inventory will get cluttered. So I came up with the idea that you can teleport items back to base if you want. And if your inventory is full, you have the choice to teleport back one item and, I don't know, switch up and so on, so you don't trash it. What do you mean? Oh, that is already implemented. Look, I have this test thing here. Where was it again? Here, interactions, items, and then we have only one table right now, but we will have as many tables as we need. And then in the table we have a drop chance weight. So we have a weight of 1 for empty, for item ID 2, 4, and item ID 0, 10. This means we have a maximum of 15 weight. So I make a dice with 15 sides and throw it. And if it's 1, then there is no item. If it's 5 or lower, then it is a valuable item, and any other things will be a healing item. And you can now play around with these values to make something more rare than others, of course. So, backpack item limit base. Now we have to add this for the shop, for the storage, pickups, that is, and for item pickup on overworld. So for overworlds, if I pick up an item and it is full, I probably need a helper dialogue or something like that. UI for choosing to swap and teleport items back. So you then get a menu where you can then pick which item goes back, and if you take the item you just picked up with you or not, I would say. For this I will make an own UI, I would say. Then I can use this for the battle rewards too. Then for these two, I need it separately, but they will do the same thing. If item limit reached, block confirm with warning. I could also make it so that when your inventory is full and you buy stuff, that they automatically go to the storage. But what do you think? Should I? Who would need this? Why would you buy something to put into your storage instead of in your inventory? You will never be able to get items from the storage back while you're up there, I guess. If you could, though, it could maybe help. Maybe there are some merchants up there who have like shops and storage, and then you can just get your items from them, which would logically not make sense, right? Because you are sending items back with this cool device, and maybe lore-wise you are searching for stuff to send back, but now there are guys who can retrieve things for you. Why wouldn't you have such a device to retrieve from the storage? Maybe they want a monopole? Makes no sense. Yeah, we will have a message. The other thing makes no sense. It would make sense if we had storage in the overworlds, in the islands, but I will probably not add storage there. I think. For now. If I choose so, we have to think about being able to fast buy on storage, maybe even forget it. I'm not sure. But I think design-wise we are now rather solid. I think I can just implement this. Okay, let's tackle this. What should I tackle first though? The shops or the overworld thing? Can I get items some other way? I can buy, I can pick up from storage, and I can pick up from things that lay around. Right now we cannot pick up from battles, but that will happen in the next time when we implement things, and I already have the thing here, so I guess that's it. And I would say we start with the shop, right? Let's go to the item shop. Where is my UI? And then item shop. And we are here. So, if I buy, I have to press a button which will then go to this thing, space, and then buy item. So when then we have to get the money, storage data with the carried items length. So if this 20, how do I get my globals? Global. Where's my default? Don't I have state machine, get global weights, get global settings? Class here, constant values, get global int value, this thing. And what did we call it? Called it backpack limit. I guess we also have to look at our storage data for upgrades. I think I should implement it now instead of some other time. Where is it? Storage data. What should I call this? I want a keyword list where there is a value behind. I don't want to call it upgrades. I wanted to call something generic so we can save other things too inside. Should I just call it the same thing as here? Global, or maybe player int variable map. How about that? Player int variable map. How did we call this here again? Yeah, that's fine. And then this is name and a map and with an integer. Okay. And then we can add something and call it, instead of backpack base, we call this upgrade. And 0 means there is no upgrade, 1 would mean +5 or something. And then we can add another variable here to determine how big the upgrades are or something, I don't know. But for now, we can go and say... Can we go and say? Yes, we can. Int variable get find, and then say this thing multiplied by 5, and then the base plus our upgrade, which would be now 20s. So if the length, which should be, if it's full 20, if it's smaller than 20, then add. If not, do a warning. Right? So this needs to be at the start. Like so. And then now we need a change menu and then say go to warning, so we can go back to the menu itself, so we can block inputs and so on. So this thing now needs a new mode. Shop? No, not Orbling shop, item shop. This thing. Item full warning. Or inventory full. Like so. That's fine. Inventory full. Go here. Let's make a warning sign. Maybe something like an image. Add this. No. This one, warning window. It has image. Background image for warning. I don't know. For now, we could just make it like this. This is anchored to everything. I don't like the color, but I mean, it doesn't need to be pretty right now. And then we add text to this, which is maybe centered. 0.5, 0.5. And the text says inventory full. Maybe make this smaller. Position, let's say it's 300 by 300 by 150. And then let's center this in the middle. 0.5, 0.5. And let's say this thing is collapsed. Boom. Graph, go in here. Which means we can go to inventory full from buy only. Did I? No, I didn't. This guy is needed. Also here. This now could make visible, doesn't matter though. The rest is fine. This goes in here. Goes here. This. And now we need to go back from there to buy. Which means this thing needs to be collapsed again. Okay, so we handled that. Now we need to make an input so it can get removed. Should I? No, this should be fine. Maybe space, just space. Remove, remove, and remove. Space with this should change to buy again. Right, so. And I believe this should already work if I didn't oversee something. Let's see. First, let's get some money cheat going. That was the money cheat, right? Should have enough money now. How many items do I have? I don't know. This is the item shop. We have 10,000. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we buy 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the next one should open the warning. Inventory full. And I cannot click it away though. What happens? Press space. I guess I need to do this on the UI controller too. Something there is not connected probably. See? Main menu interactions, no. Actions. Item shop. Yeah, okay. Connect. Just here is fine. And then it should work. So let's go here, get some money. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And inventory full. inventory full, and we cannot buy anything else. Sell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I sell 1 and 2. Buy 1 and 2. And inventory full. Okay. So this one works. We go here. This one is done. Now we need it for the storage. What did I call it? Item storage, there it is. And add the warning already. What was it called? Inventory full. Okay. So here, interaction is take item here. We can repeat the code that we did here. And just take this. Put here. Yeah. Here. Like this maybe. Yeah. And then change to inventory. Okay. Then we can copy this thing. Why is it? What's going on here? Why would it be off that much? Fine. Then I do one myself. Copy paste is such an issue. 0.5 in the middle. Size 300 to 150. 0. Wait, I'm stupid. Now I get what the problem is. Could be like this and then we're good. Warning window. So where is our warning window? Here. Get visibility. Is it collapsed already? Collapsed, yes. So one is collapsed and one is just invisible. Take away. From there, here could be visible. And from here could get collapsed again. Alrighty. Like so. Now I just need to implement it here. Storage goes in here. And I believe we have it now for the other menu too. Right, so we just need to stash some things. Get some money too. Okay. So let's Or 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 items needs to be bought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And now I want to... Oh wait, I implemented to take item instead of... Yes, it is correct. Take item. Uh-oh. Didn't I store? Why was it invisible? This is concerning. Buy. Take item. Item, take item, take item. What's going on here? Something with the visibility or? Where am I? UI controller. Storage. Take item. I cannot go back anymore. Or item. And then take item. Object list. I never create the object list. Hang on here. That's concerning. Oh, that's interesting. I put it in the wrong thing. Button. Okay. Ooh, man. That was a big bug there. Ah, I need to also make the interaction do nothing. But add this real quick. Clean up interaction mode after picking up item. Wait, I need to stash first. And then buy. Now we are full. Take item. Inventory full, but we cannot go back. Because why? I didn't implement the... Probably. Didn't. Space. item. And here we go. Now it should work. Seems to work. Okay. Two things down. Item limit is implemented. Now clean up interaction mode after picking up an item. There's the item. I think it's this. Oh. We need the player. And player interaction. Ah, there it is. Problem. Add it here in the end. Golden. No more errors. Okay. That bug is also squished. Now, for item pickup on overworld, I for choosing to swap and teleport. How do we do this? I would need a new UI for this. Right. I guess a transparent one with just a window. Could it open a whole big screen or something? Doesn't matter. Just needs to do it. We need to freeze the world and do that. Also need to this thing. Maybe I should, have large one or not. Oh, leave it open. Item teleporter menu. I don't know. Item teleporter menu. Now I believe when we get an item or multiple items, we need to display it on the screen what items are right now too much, are maybe on the right side or on the left side. And that side is the to teleport items field, I would say. Then we need our current items on the other side. And when we confirm, the menu closes and anything on the teleport side just goes into our storage. In theory. Right? So let's begin. I'm making UI here. This. Please. Sorry for the flashbang. Okay, so this thing will open. And we need 2 vertical boxes. The size being, I don't know, 300? Current items. Copy paste. 100. Position 2. Then this can be what? 500, 100, 1000. And the size can be this. Then here are text, current items, another one, items to be teleported, and now we need initialize. Of course, everything is right now very badly positioned, but I just need some prototype rough functionality UI. We don't bother with beauty right now since we don't even have a UI concept yet. But what we need is an initialize, and this we should maybe rename to, what do we rename this? To teleport items. Then we need a function called initialize the item teleporter menu. How would I call this? Surplus? Overfill? Spill? Billing items. How about that? Billing items. This is an array. Can be one. Then we need, maybe let's do a local spilling items. Then I want to first actor past storage. Maybe storage data, since we will use it a couple of times in here anyway. Then from storage data I want current items, get carrying items, carried items, whatever. For each. Update list display. Maybe not local to teleport item IDs. That away. Boom. Wait. Can I promote this? Like so. Like, oh wait. Not item controller, item invento con. Wait, this is. Oh. No? Okay. This is one. We need the same thing with this. Boom, 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 boom. Then text. So, but instead of current items to tell items. Okay. Now, how do we trigger all of this? We are on the overworld, and we are the player. And we do pick up an item. So instead of doing this, we have to check again. Where is it? This thing. Could make a global function out of this, but whatever. Buried items. If true, go through. Else, we have to open a menu. How do we open a menu? I guess we don't want a fade here. We want it to appear in front of us. Can I just do this? What are you guys doing right now? How was your day? Talk with me before I lose my mind. My controller. Ah. Are you winning? Not having fun. Okay. I see. Where's our widget? I forgot to set it up. What did I call it? Thing. We need no, item teleporter menu. Will you wake up early tomorrow too? There is only one mode. Or? Maybe not. Wait, you are lucky, no? Still pissed that the thing was like 2 hours long and my way to school is like 1 hour. On my way to there, I mean the contents were worth it. Yeah, that sounds bad. I had a fair share of those. Do I need this mode thing? I guess it would be helpful. Let's keep it. Where was I? And this needs to be implemented. Oh my god. Where was I? Here. Like so. Leaf. There's something fishy going on here. Why was this removed? Or was it ever there? Pick up item. Never got removed. From the list. I hope I don't have these kinds of bugs around. Should open it and show it. Should we try? Should we try if this works now or not? Well, before we do that, okay, so let's buy some items so we are full. Here, buy, we are full, and then boom. So now we need a cursor here, and if I press D, the cursor should be here, changing the menu thingy, and then I can just play around with this, and then I guess I press confirm or escape, and then everything here goes to our storage. I keep going, I'm kinda... empty. Need this. Okay. Maybe I should put... No, I can't. Because they have their own types. Whatever, I will just paste every time. like this. Okay, it's a little confusing, but this is what we do and this is where we are. I think correct. Correct. Okay, we have to get rid of the arrow. Seems to copy and create it. Hello, Kimian. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing, man? Okay. Okay, now. There we go. I have a problem though. So, when I go right, I need to update. What happens here? Why does it not show? And go to a wrong thingy? Let's see. Final PC upgrade. What are you upgrading? I'm good. I'm good. Making huge progress here. So. Value 1. I mean, yes, and then this should be... Oh no! Wrong. Does it work now? Was it just a one-off error? Huh, it was just a one-off error. Perfect. Your GPU. Ah. And what was it before? I have a 3080 myself. Is the jump that huge? Isn't the super always a little... Wait, I'm not sure. I thought the super would be a little weaker than the normal number. Was it not like that? So comparable to the last generation, same number, but I'm not sure. Ah, I see. Okay, so the selecting is now done. Now we have to rearrange items. I guess. This thing needs to be now done. Escape, I don't care right now. Switch item from carried to teleport. And I want this to from teleport to carried. So from here first the switch item from carried to teleport. What if I want to add more to the teleport? I guess I need another entry which is null. I have to play around with that. Anyway, for now we cannot. Switch item. Wait, no. I need current items, I need teleport. Then I need first actor of class is storage. Wait, I have the storage data here. Then carried. You could also check if it's enough or not. This thing. We need this. Let's think more. Storage data, whatever. Okay. False, we will do something with the error again. No. We want child of this guy. I mean, we could copy some code from here again. Stored item, blah blah blah. Something like this. Or we can just think. Wait, do I just update? Ah, okay. Can do that. And just update display after that. Carried item and this one. Yeah, this could work. So, what do we want? We want from carried to teleport. That. Get copy from the index. Put it in here. And add here. And remove index. Like so. This should already work, right? And we don't do this. This we do. The different parts. This we can copy over. So. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, something like this. And then we update. Same thing here, just with the warning. Now we need more storage. Carried. Add. And we need this. Get from index and remove from index. So, and then update the lists. Of course, we will every time lose our index, but that's something I can fix later. But for now, should be able to play around putting things left and right. Right? Oh, doesn't work because what? Did I not add it to the interaction? I didn't add it to the interaction. Okay. Uh-oh. Why are we adding so many? Ah, we have to clear. That's why. We have to clear. Here. Okay. Seems to work. But I need to play around with this more. I need to clean this. So, for example, the arrow here doesn't disappear. And when I press space again here, we don't have warnings and errors. And it shouldn't duplicate items. And we should also check that we do not overflow. I think I'll make a cut here. My brain is fried. I will now clean up a little and then call it a day. Oof, man. Let's see, this is fine. Although I can do this maybe. Here. Fine. Fine. Yes. This is okay. For now, at least, there are some errors there. With the arrow. Whatever. I'll do that next time. Action, menu switch is fine. And this is fine. Alright. Should I take some notes? I mean, we still don't have the functionality to actually make the teleport happen, so let's write. Make the item teleport happen. UI for choosing to swap and whatever, yes. For item pickup overworlds. Check item limits. Updating display should have arrow at the same spot or last. What else? Implement escape, which is this. I think there is not more to add. There is more to add. Make it so. That's when empty list we cannot switch to that list and get automatically to the other lists. Right, I never want to select an empty list element. I could implement it so that the arrow goes to empty list elements, then I wouldn't have a list though. I would have an array, and we don't have those here unless you have an empty entry, which I don't use right now. And it would be a pain to try to make it happen with names, because you cannot make empty. They always have like none inside as a string. Or at least I didn't play around with it. But this should be fine, right? If I empty a list, it goes to the other side, and then I can put the items in the other side, press escape, and then it will teleport the items, right? And when that's done, we can look into this. Anyway, I'm not sure who is here. And check. Bevi, Himion, Yamitsu, Echo. Thanks for tuning in. What do you mean not true? I just was not sure if you're there or not. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.